Two beautiful species of peafowls are found in India. Green peafowl is an endangered species found in the northeastern parts of India. They have a triangular face with tight upright crest. Facial skin is double striped with a white to light blue, and beside their ear they have a yellow to orange crescent. On an average, the male is 9 feet in total length, including their tail, and their tail alone measures 1.5 meters. Adult female is half the total length of the breeding male. The green peafowl have distinctive scaled neck feathers and longer legs compared to the Indian peafowl. Green peafowls are generally considered more silent than the Indian peafowls. Their tail coverts are longer than those of the male Indian peafowl. Indian peafowl is the national bird of India, also known as the common peafowl or blue peafowl, and are distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent. Male is brightly colored with a predominantly blue fan-like crescent of spatula-tipped wire-like feathers. Wings are buff and barred in black. Peahens have a dull brown plumage. They lack the train, have a white face and iridescent green lower neck. In the males, their train is made up of elongated upper tail coverts with more than 200 feathers, but their actual tail has only 20 feathers. Nearly all feathers end with an elaborate eye spot, a white stripe above the eye, and a crescent-shaped white patch below the eye are formed by bare white skin. Their back has scaly bronze-green feathers with black and copper markings.